To work with variables, we need operators. Operators are special symbols that perform specific operations and then return a result. Java has rich supports of operators. In this lecture, we will learn 5 types of operators. These are arithmetic operators, assignment operator, relational operators, Boolean logical operators, and ternary operator. Let's start with 4 basic arithmetic operators. Let's say we have 3 int variables. We want to use them in an expression and save the result into another int variable. Using these operators in Java is same as we learned in the school, with one difference. We cannot use these arithmetic operators on the left side of the equal sign. If we print the variable, we will see the value 5, as division between y and z performed first and then subtracted from x. We can add parentheses around x and y to perform subtraction first. Now we will view the result as 2. Next operator is modulus. It returns the remainder of a division operation. When we divide 2 integer variables and save the result into another integer variable, we get the value without any decimal part. Here the result is 2. But if we use modulus operator, we will see the remainder value 1 in the result. Next, increment and decrement operators. Consider this example. Here we are increasing the value of x by 1. Instead of this line, we can use increment operator by adding 2 plus signs after the variable. We can also use the increment operator before the variable, which will return similar result in this example. We can also use this operator in an expression, but here output is different, which depends on in which side the increment operator is. If you use the sign in the right side of x, it will first save the previous value of x into y, and then it will increase the value of x. That means we will see the value of 9 into x, but we will see 8 into y. But if you use the operator in the left side of x in an expression, it will increase the value of x first, and then will save the result into y. Same behavior with decrement operator, except it decreases the value of a variable by 1. Try this code into your editor. It will be much clearer when you will try it by yourself. Next 5 arithmetic operators are similar. With the increment operator, we can only increase value by 1. But what if we want to increase a variable by 10? Just add a plus and a equal sign together and write the desired value on the right side. Same syntax with other signs. Write these codes in your editor and you will see final value of x as 2. Next type is the assignment operator. It's just an equal sign, and we already have seen its usage every time we assign a value into a variable. In algebra, when we write an equal sign, it means both sides of the sign are equal. But in programming language, single equal sign is called the assignment operator. It is used to assign value of a variable. Here is how we set values into variables. When we have multiple variables with the same type and we want to assign same value into them, we can do it in one line like this way. Let's check our third type, relational operators. These operators are used in a conditional statement. We will see their usage a lot when we will learn control statement in one of the next lectures. For now, let's see how we can use these with the knowledge we already have learned. Here we want to check whether values of x and y are equal or not. Whenever you use the relational operator in a statement, its result is a boolean. So we create a boolean variable compare to store the result. Here is how we will do it. First, we are comparing x and y by adding double equal signs between them. Then we are assigning the result into compare variable. Parentheses are not required. I have added them to make it look clear. Here the values are not equal, so compare variable will return false. Alternatively, we can check the difference between two variables by adding an exclamation sign and an equal sign. Now we will see result as true. We can use greater than, less than operators to compare which variable is greater or less than other one. If we use less than and equal operator together, we will see output as true in this example.